In this video, we're going to look at 7 types of Google Analytics reports to help you grow your business. So be sure to check out the links we've left in the description, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and be part of the conversation. Google Analytics provides you with a massive amount of information and reports, so when you're first starting out, it can be confusing trying to determine which reports are the most significant for growing your business. The quickest and easiest way to connect your WordPress website to Google Analytics is by using MonsterInsights. You don't have to worry about writing any code or hiring a developer, and you'll get the most important data for growing your site right on your WordPress dashboard. Plus, you can set up advanced tracking features like event tracking, e-commerce tracking, form tracking, custom dimension tracking, outbound link tracking, and a whole lot more. MonsterInsights Overview Report allows you to see a breakdown of your most valuable metrics like sessions, page views, devices, referral sources, and a whole lot more with just a glance. The Google Analytics home screen allows you to see data like users, channels, user by time of day, top pages, and more. Now, the second report that you should watch is a device breakdown report. It gives you valuable insight into the type of devices that people are using when they view your site. And if there's any issue regarding a specific device, you can know that as well. You can find the device report on your MonsterInsights dashboard. There, you're going to see an overview of how many visits you had on each device type, desktop, mobile, and tablet. And that's great for monitoring things overall. And if you'd like to dive even deeper into the data, you can. You can take a look at the mobile devices report in Google Analytics by going to Google Analytics and then in the sidebar under Audience, click on Mobile and then click Overview. All right, next you'll need to know which pages users are landing on once they find your site. Now, having that data is going to provide you with insight into how people are finding you through search and other channels. Now, if you're using MonsterInsights Plus or above, you can quickly find a list of your top pages right on your WordPress dashboard in our Publishers Report. You're going to see the number of visits, the average duration of visits, and your bounce rate. And you can use that data to identify pages with lower average durations so you can edit that page and increase user engagement and the overall time that people are staying on the page. Now, to view the top landing pages report in Google Analytics, you're going to need to click the blue button at the bottom of your MonsterInsights report. Now, if you're already on the Google Analytics site, then you can view it by going to the sidebar and then go to Behavior and then Site Content and then finally Landing Pages. Outbound links are links on your site that lead to other websites, social media platforms, and other affiliate links. Having data about which links people are clicking on is going to help you understand what your users are interested in learning more about. Now, you can use this information for planning future content and boosting engagement even more. Now, if you're using MonsterInsights, you'll automatically get an outbound link report without even having to set it up. Unfortunately, to see the report in Google Analytics, you're going to have to do some custom coding to track your outbound link clicks. Knowing the search terms that visitors are typing in the search bar to find your site is going to help you understand what keywords that you need to use to increase visitor traffic. Now, you can find out what keywords that they're using to find your site in the search terms report. Now, you'll need to make sure that you've connected Google Search Console to your Google Analytics account. If you're using MonsterInsights, then you're going to see that information instantly on your WordPress dashboard. All you have to do is hover your mouse over Insights and then click on Reports and then head to the Search Console tab. Now, to see the full report in Google Analytics, you're going to need to click the blue button at the bottom of the MonsterInsights report and then go to Acquisition, then Search Console, and then Queries. Knowing which forms visitors are viewing and filling out, and each form's conversion rate and other essential data is going to be helpful for growing your business. With MonsterInsights, you can get form conversion reports without having to go through any setup. Your forms are going to be tracked automatically. You can see the data about your forms by going to the admin sidebar, click on Reports, and then click Forms. Once you're there, you'll see how many times your form was viewed on your page, the number of conversions, and your form's conversion rate. Sadly, Google Analytics doesn't track this info right out of the box. In fact, you're going to have to go through quite a few steps to set this up, especially if your form doesn't land on a thank you page once it's submitted. And here we are at number 7. With Google's Page Experience Update, the speed of your website is something that you're going to have to be on top of. Google will give you a little boost in search rankings if your site's faster than the other sites you're competing against. In fact, landing page speed has been a general ranking factor ever since 2018. Now, while site speed is an important metric, it's not reported in Google Analytics. So that means you're going to have to use a separate tool to get that information. But if you're using Monster Insights, you can see your site speed right on your WordPress dashboard. Plus, Monster Insights provides you with helpful tips specifically tailored for your site to help you improve your site's speed. Now that's it, our top 7. Of course, there are many other valuable types of reports as well, but still these are the ones that provide you with an excellent overview of how your site is performing. Now don't miss the opportunity to get a special discount on Monster Insights by clicking the link in the description. And to learn more Monster Insights tips, tricks, and techniques, be sure to click one of the videos on your screen now.